In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Slack time zone. Getting your Slack time zone right ensures your messages, reminders, and meeting schedules line up correctly, especially if you travel or work with a distributed team. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to adjust it with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Slack. From the results, click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your workspace. This route is handy if you're not already in Slack. If you are, you can follow along from where you are. Once Slack is open, look to the lower left corner of the window. You'll see your profile, usually your photo or initials. Click that to open a small menu. From this menu, choose Preferences. Preferences is where Slack keeps all your personal settings, including notifications, themes, language, and, importantly for today, your regional settings. Inside Preferences, find and click Language and Region. This section controls how Slack displays language, date formats, and time zones. It's the right place to make sure your timestamps reflect your local time or the time zone you need to work in. Within Language and Region, look for the Time Zone section. Here's where the key option lives. If Slack is currently set to Set Time Zone Automatically, uncheck that box. Leaving it checked lets Slack use your device or location to guess your time zone, which is great when you're moving around. But if you want a specific fixed time zone, you'll want manual control. After you uncheck it, click the Time Zone field to set it manually. Next, click the drop-down icon. A list of time zones will appear. Scroll through the list and select the time zone that matches your current location or the one you prefer to use for work. Many lists show time zones by region and offset from UTC, so pick the one that best fits your needs. As soon as you click your choice, Slack applies it. There's no Save button needed. Slack saves this change automatically. You can simply close the Preferences window when you're done. If something still looks off, double-check that the automatic option is disabled and confirm you selected the correct region. Later, if you want Slack to adjust your time zone based on where you are, just return here and re-enable the automatic setting. And that's it. Your Slack time zone is now set.